Division of one polynomial by another requires a process somewhat like long division in arithmetic. Watch this video fully to learn the step-by-step technique on how to divide polynomials. Hi friends, welcome back to Math Simplified. So this is your first question. So the first step is that you need to check whether the powers are in decreasing order. Here the power is 2. Here it is 1 and here it is x raised to 0. So it is 2, 1, 0. So they are in decreasing order and that is the first step. Now you will write x square plus 10x plus 21 here, and then you will draw the division symbol over here and you will write the divisor here. Now the next step is that what is the first term of the dividend here? It is x square. So you will write x square divided by the first term of the divisor, and that is x. So what is x square by x? And that is equal to x. And this x will be the first term of your quotient. So you will write here. Now the next step is that this x, you should multiply it with the divisor. So x into x plus 7, it is equal to, you will open the bracket, you will get x square plus 7x, and this you will write over here. So it becomes x square plus 7x, and usually in the division what happens next? You will subtract. So x square minus x square is 0, 10x minus 7x is 3x, and then you will bring down the next term, that is plus 21. So this is your new dividend here. So now to get the next term of the quotient, what you should do? You should take the first term of this new dividend, that is 3x divided by the first term of the divisor. So 3x by x is equal to 3, and this 3 will be your next term of the quotient. So it is positive 3. So you will write plus 3 here. And this 3, what you should do? You should multiply it with the divisor x plus 7, and that is equal to 3x plus 21. So that you will write over here. Now when you subtract, what you will get? You will get 0. It is not necessary that in the polynomial divisions your remainder will be 0 always. So here the quotient is x plus 3, the remainder is 0. Now let's move on to the next question. In this question, the first step is you need to check whether the powers are in decreasing order. So here you can see 3, 2, 1, and then here you have x raised to 0. So they are in decreasing order. Now you should write them in the division form. So here you will write 3x cube minus 4x square plus 2x minus 1, the long division symbol, and then here you have x plus 1. Now what you should do? You should take the first term of the dividend, that is 3x cube divided by the first term of the divisor, and that is x. So when you divide, you will get 3x square, and that is your first term of the quotient. You will write it over here. Now the next step is that you need to multiply this 3x square into the divisor, that is x plus 1. Now you should open the bracket. When you open the bracket, you will get it 3x cube plus 3x square. That you will write here. So you will write 3x cube plus 3x square, and then you will subtract. So here it is 0. Negative 4x square minus 3x square. So negative 4 minus 3 will give you negative 7, and then x square. Then you will bring down the next term, that is plus 2x. Now this is your new dividend. So you should take the first term of the new dividend, that is negative 7x square divided by the first term of the divisor, that is x. So you will get it as negative 7x. Now that you will write here minus 7x. Now what you should do? You should multiply negative 7x into the divisor, that is x plus 1. So when you open, you will get negative 7x square minus 7x. That you will write over here. So negative 7x square minus 7x, and then you will subtract. So here negative 7 minus negative 7. So it becomes negative 7 plus 7. So it becomes 0 here. So 2 minus negative 7. So it becomes 2 plus 7. That is 9x. And then you will bring down the next term, that is minus 1. So now this is your new dividend. So first you should take the first term of the new dividend, that is 9x divided by the first term of the divisor. So it is x. So 9x by x is 9. So you will write that here, that is positive 9. So plus 9. Now the last step is 9 into x plus 1. So it becomes 9x plus 9. So that you will write here. So now you should subtract. So when you subtract here, you will get 0. Negative 1 minus 9 will give you negative 10. So in this polynomial division, you have the quotient 3x square minus 7x plus 9, and then the remainder is negative 10. In this question, you can see some powers are missing. That is, when you check if they are in decreasing order, you can start with 4 and then 1 comes and then 0. So 2 powers are missing. Which are the powers? 3 and 2. So in that case, you need to add 2 terms to this. So how will you add? First you will write 3x raised to 4. Then the next term you will write it as plus 0x raised to 3. Now the next term is also missing, so you will write it as 0x raised to 2. After that you can write these terms, that is minus 12x plus 5, and then you will draw the long division symbol and you will write the divisor. First term of the dividend, that is 3x raised to 4 divided by the first term of the divisor. So it becomes 3x cube. So that is your first term of the quotient. You will write here 3x cube. Now the next step is that you will multiply 3x cube and the divisor, that is x plus 1. So now you will open the bracket. So it becomes 3x raised to 4 plus 3x cube. That you will write here. So here when you subtract, you will get 0. Here 0 minus 3. So it becomes negative 3x cube. And then you will bring down the next term plus 0x square. So this is your new dividend. So you will take the first term of this new dividend, that is negative 3x cube, and then you will divide it by the first term of the divisor, that is x. You will get negative 3x square. So that is your next term of the quotient. So you will write minus 3x square. Next term, you will multiply negative 3x square and the divisor. So when you multiply, you will get negative 3x cube minus 3x square. So that you will write here. Minus 3x cube minus 3x square. Now when you subtract, it becomes 0 here. 0 minus negative 3 becomes 0 plus 3. So it becomes 3x square, and you will bring down the next term, that is minus 12x. Now this is your new dividend. So you will take the first term here, that is 3x square, divided by the first term of the divisor. You will get 3x plus 3x. So now you will multiply. So it becomes 3x into x plus 1, that is equal to 3x square plus 3x. So that you will write here. So 3x square plus 3x. Now you will subtract it. When you subtract here, you will get 0. Negative 12 minus 3 will give you negative 15x, and you will bring down the next term, that is plus 5. This is your new dividend. You will take the first term negative 15x divided by the first term of the divisor. You will get the answer negative 15, that you will write here. Now negative 15 into the divisor x plus 1 will give you negative 15x minus 15. So that you will write here. So negative 15x minus 15. So here when you subtract, here you can say negative 15 minus negative 15, it becomes 0. 5 minus negative 15 becomes 5 plus 15. So your remainder is 20, and your quotient is 3x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 15. I hope the concept of polynomial long division method is crystal clear to all. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, bye and thanks for watching.